East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Hola chicas y chicos, bienvenido a mi canal. For today's video, I got another wig review, and this is by Outre in the Sleek Lay part collection. I got her in the style LEVETTE and the color DRFF2 Ginger Copper. This is a 22-inch loose deep curl unit. It comes with the copper ginger color and the dark root. It is a 5-inch side part with ear-to-ear lace. It comes with the 2 combs on the front, the comb on the back, the adjustable strap. If you guys are interested to see how I style her, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave it in chapters, so look in the description box and pick your favorite part. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a lot of wigs to review, you guys. Thanks for the love, homies.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and
I ride my own rides.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple
My
hits.
final look for LEVETTE, and again, this is by Outre in the Sleek Lay part collection. So the Sleek Lay collection is lace front and is usually a T part, so you only get about this much parting space and the lace, and you know, the lace in the front. And I got this unit sent to me by DRFF2. DRFF2 has a lot of beautiful units, so go ahead and check them out. I will leave the link to this unit in the description box if you guys are interested. I am experiencing shedding because I always cut off the lace by the ears, and that comes off with a lot of hair. I didn't glue this unit down again because I don't plan on wearing her out, and if you guys want to see how I glue my wigs down, then you guys could watch any other video from like a month ago, and to get as much content out today as I can because I started working, you guys, and I don't have time to be doing these every other day. But you guys, this wig got me feeling like a ginger mermaid, like Ariel. These curls are effing amazing. Like, I feel too cute to be true. Look at that, y'all. It is 22 inches. Length check, or what would be like a human hair dupe. It doesn't feel like synthetic-y at all. It feels like it is real hair. It's just so soft. It's kind of like a soft, silky texture, in my opinion. Oh, guys, I feel so cute. Yeah, you guys, I definitely recommend her. I don't think I've seen this one being reviewed in this color, so I wanted to put it out there for you guys. And for the viewer that suggested this unit, thank you so much because I love it. It's big head friendly. I didn't adjust my straps at all, and I feel like it still has a lot of room. And if you have a smaller head, then obviously you could always adjust that strap. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think. This is a newer wig by Outre. It's one of their newer wigs that they came out with, I think, within the last month or two. So if you guys are interested, again, I will leave the link to her in the description box. I got her from SAMSBEAUTY.com. They have a bunch of units. Again, thank you guys all so much for your love and support. If you guys are interested in more wigs, I do a lot of synthetic wig reviews, and I have a shitload to review. I got about 10 to do this month. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, sis. Hit the notification button, because you don't want to miss all these cute units that I have to review for you guys. Love you so much. Bye.